Hey, my name's Dr. Nima Rahmany, and I have been a chiropractor for the past 15 years. And in June, when I recently sold my practice, I knew that I wanted to travel and speak and coach my clients and patients that are around the world. But I also knew that I still had my heart set that I really wanted to keep in the chiropractic game, but I knew that I wanted to practice differently. And I'm not opposed, like you, to having mentors and coaches. I've had them all my life. I've done all the practice management seminars. I've heard about all the scripts. And what captured me was how Josh's message was totally different. Talking about making practice easier, enjoying it, and really this whole concept of time-based care plans and all that, it piqued my attention. And so when I had a conversation with him, I just felt that he was so supportive, and whether I enrolled in his program or not, I really his heart and his commitment to helping DCs really came through. And so I made the commitment. I jumped on board because I was really curious to see what he meant about changing the way that you communicate, and putting all the focus, instead of making it a doctor-centered practice, making it a patient-centered practice, because I decided at this stage of my career that it wasn't really about making it all about me anymore, which is what I spent the first half of my career. I wanted the next half of my career to really about to be really about making an impact. And right away, what I noticed was, from the first module of the Perfect Patient Funnel System, the communication strategies and the education on listening and way of being, and the first visit, the recommendations and report of findings was so impactful that I made back my investment within the first 2 weeks of my enrollment in the program. And so, I'm now several months in, and I'm looking back in August when I first made my investment into the Perfect Patient Funnel System. And it was one of the best investments because it really knocked me back on track, connected to why I do what I do, and to communicate with every single person that I see with a completely different mindset, and a different goal than I used to have before, when I was with other practice management companies, or before in my mindset when I wasn't in that proper headspace.